gearing up for a law exam and feeling overwhelmed? Don't worry, I've got your back. In just 90 seconds, I'll share top strategies that can help you ace your law exams with confidence. First, get organized. Create a study schedule that breaks down topics into manageable chunks. Focus on quality over quantity. Studying smarter, not harder, is the key. Second, make use of active learning techniques. Highlight key points, create mind maps, and summarize case laws in your own words. This helps you understand, not just memorize. Third, practice with past papers. Law exams often repeat themes, so solving old papers will sharpen your critical thinking and time management skills. Next, don't forget self-care. Get enough sleep, eat well, and take short breaks. A fresh mind retains information better. With these strategies, you're all set to pass with flying colors. Want more tips? Hit the like button and subscribe for the best law exam advice. Good luck, you've got this. End screen. Subscribe button, channel logo, and links to related videos.